Welcome to Scholars Academy Presents, where we highlight the special people, projects, and events at Scholars Academy, right here in Rockaway Park, Queens. My name is Kevin, and today our special guest is Michael, who is going to talk to us about the fun and awkward adventures in the islands of Hawaii. So, how was your trip?
It was good. The way there was really boring because I had to take two planes, one from New York to California and then from California to Hawaii. And I won a CD that wasn't even that good.
So, what was the CD about?
It was it was music by a popular Hawaiian pop star who's now dead named Iz.
Okay, so
It was weird.
So what was the fun part about going to Hawaii? And
well, the good part was that there were warm water beaches in the Pacific Ocean that you could just run around basically in.
so you said that your trip was going to be awkward. How was it awkward?
But it was awkward. Well, this is the funny part. It was awkward because during the second plane ride, I was in a contest, and we had a really weird math problem to do. It's unexplainable, but we won.
And so that was the awkward part?
No, tiny bit awkward because you wouldn't really expect that on a plane.
True. Now, you're saying that you went to the islands of Hawaii. How was it? What did you do there? Like, did you go to the beach or?
We went to two beaches and we stayed in a hotel called the Rainbow Tower. And it was the tallest hotel in Hawaii, right in the capital, Honolulu.
So, which island did you go to?
Oahu.
Oahu. So you were saying that you went to the tallest tower,
Tallest
hotel. So how was it like being in that hotel?
Okay, I just gotta say one thing about it, and that it had a perfect view of a nearby beach called Waikiki Beach.
So like they portray in the movies, did you see any tikis or anything like that?
I didn't see many tikis,
But you saw some.
but I did get one from a novelty store.
All right. So was that all that you got at the novelty store?
Well, my little brother got stuffed animals, and I went to Pearl Harbor store.
So what did you learn at Pearl Harbor?
I didn't really learn any new information. I really knew much about it. I just wanted to visit it.
That's all for today. Please join us next time on Scholars Academy Presents. Goodbye for now.